Gĩikaro-inĩ gĩa kũrĩanĩra irio cia hwaĩ-inĩ gatagati ga President William Ruto na mũthamaki wa Netherlands William Alexander, Ruto augĩte thĩna wa mũiyũro wa maĩ ũrũ ũndũ ũmwe na ng'aragu nĩ mamwe ma marĩa magomeire bũrũri ũyũ kumana na ũcenjia wa rĩera.
Climate change is real, and Africa remains its most vulnerable continent. Kenya alone has endured devastating cycles of floods and droughts, underscoring the urgent need for action.
Ruto akiuga ũnyihu wa maĩ kũrĩ mahiũ na mĩmera onamo no maũndũ macũngĩrĩirie bũrũri ũyũ kũhutio na njĩra nene, ĩndĩ akiuga bũrũri nĩ ũkũgunĩka na kĩgĩna kĩa birioni 1 mbeca cia Amerika ya gũteithĩrĩria kũgacĩrithia marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
Organization which has already integrated $1 billion in climate adaptation investments in Kenya's development projects and aims to climate-proof $25 billion in investments across Africa.
I saw for myself the impact of climate change on the lives not just of farmers, but of people in cities too. It's important that we continue working to combine Dutch and Kenyan expertise on water. And with that in mind, I'm pleased that a number of leading companies and institutions have traveled with us to Kenya.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu, President agĩtũgĩria ngwatanĩro ya makĩria ma mĩaka 60 gatagati ga bũrũri wa Kenya na bũrũri wa Netherlands, makĩria harĩ kũgacĩrithia ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, ndeto ĩrĩa nyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ mũrunawe William Alexander.
We deeply appreciate Her Majesty Queen Maxima's commitment to pediatric oncology, with the Princess Maxima Child Oncology Center at Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital standing as a beacon of hope for many.
We are Kenya's third largest export market worldwide, bigger than all the other EU countries combined. And we're one of Kenya's top 5 investors. Promoting trade, embracing innovation and pursuing opportunities, these are endeavors that unite us.
Alexander akiuga nĩmekũnyitanĩra na bũrũri ũyũ na mabũrũri ma Afrika harĩ kũgacĩrithia thayũ na kũhukia ciĩko cia itoi kaimana.
Enjoyed close diplomatic ties, ties that we cherish. The future belongs to Kenya. You can sense the self-confidence of its people. There's so much talent here, so much potential. Millions of young Kenyans are eager to contribute to their country's further development.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ikua wa Boshi.